Hello, this is Yuzu. Today I'm at Hahamongna Watershed Park near the NASA's JPL facility in Pasadena, California. I come here for hiking often, but today I'm slowing down for a bit and enjoy the nature. Those native oak trees always remind me of the trees back home in Japan. We have native oak trees there too. They look a bit different, but they share the same strong, lasting feeling in the wood and bark. Today I'm going to stop and practice Shinrin-yoku. That's like mindful forest bathing with my sketchbook. I want to capture that Natsukashii feeling, the warm memory of my hometown. It's not a perfect painting, and that's okay. In Japanese language, we call this Wabi-Sabi, finding the beauty in the imperfection of the moment. I love how this small sketch will keep the memory of this moment more personal. I enjoyed painting by the oak tree today, but my art bag was total mess. I have way too many stuff in my bag and it's unorganized. I really need to fix this before my next hike, for sure. So, in my next video, I'll organize all of my art supply to make a lighter art bag for outdoor painting and nature journaling. If you want to see my lighter setup for nature journaling and outdoor painting, please hit subscribe. Also, tell me your favorite trails in your area in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!